Welcome, fellow adventurers, to the ultimate guide for exploring one of America's most iconic natural wonders, Yellowstone National Park. This isn't just any park, it's a geothermal wonderland, a living, breathing testament to the raw power of our planet. Imagine bubbling hot springs, roaring geysers, and vibrant thermal features around every corner. Beyond its fiery heart, Yellowstone is also an unparalleled haven for wildlife. You might spot bison grazing peacefully, elk wandering through meadows, or even a grizzly bear in the distance. It's a truly wild and unforgettable experience. And when it comes to hiking, Yellowstone offers a plethora of options that will absolutely blow your mind. From leisurely strolls along boardwalks to challenging ascents up mountain peaks, there's a trail for every single skill level. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker or a family looking for a gentle nature walk, Yellowstone has your next adventure waiting. Get ready to lace up your boots, because we're about to dive into the top 10 hiking trails in Yellowstone National Park that you simply cannot miss. These are the paths that will lead you to breathtaking views, unique geological formations, and unforgettable wildlife encounters. Let's hit the trails. First up, for those seeking a true challenge and incredible rewards, we have the Avalanche Peak Trail. This is a seriously challenging hike, featuring a steep, relentless climb that will test your endurance. But trust me, every single step is worth it. The key features and rewards of this trail are absolutely unparalleled. You'll be treated to panoramic, jaw-dropping views of Yellowstone Lake stretching out below you, surrounded by majestic mountain ranges. Keep your eyes peeled for potential wildlife encounters too. This high-altitude environment is home to some incredible creatures. Next, let's talk about the enchanting Fairy Falls Trail. This is a moderate hike that offers a fantastic blend of natural beauty and iconic Yellowstone sights. It's a relatively flat and easy walk for much of its length, making it accessible for many. The trail leads you directly to the stunning 200-foot Fairy Falls, a truly beautiful cascade that feels like something out of a storybook. What's even better is that this trail also offers access to the highly sought-after Grand Prismatic Spring Overlook. It's a 2-for-1 deal on incredible views. Speaking of the Grand Prismatic Spring, our third must-do hike is the dedicated Grand Prismatic Spring Overlook Trail. This is a relatively short and easy hike, specifically designed to give you the best possible vantage point. It's perfect for all ages and fitness levels. This trail provides the absolute best views for appreciating the vibrant, otherworldly colors and immense size of the Grand Prismatic Spring. From this elevated perspective, you can truly grasp the scale and beauty of Yellowstone's most famous hot spring. Prepare to be mesmerized by the rainbow hues. Moving on, we have the captivating Mystic Falls Trail, a moderate hike located conveniently near the Biscuit Basin geyser area. This trail offers a wonderful opportunity to explore both thermal features and a beautiful waterfall. It's a fantastic loop that showcases Yellowstone's diversity. The trail leads you to the beautiful Mystic Falls, a serene and picturesque cascade that lives up to its name. Along the way, you'll have the chance to explore various thermal features, including colorful hot springs and bubbling pools. It's a truly immersive experience. Prepare for an unforgettable descent with Uncle Tom's Trail. This unique experience involves a steep descent via a series of metal stairs, taking you deep into the canyon. It's a thrilling and memorable way to experience the park. This trail reaches the very base of the lower falls of the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone, offering an incredibly up-close and personal experience with this powerful, roaring waterfall. You'll feel the mist on your face and hear the thunderous roar. It's an absolute must-do for a unique perspective. For those craving solitude and expansive vistas, the Observation Peak Trail is a challenging hike with incredibly rewarding views. This trail offers a more strenuous experience, but the payoff is immense. It's a fantastic choice for experienced hikers. You'll be treated to sweeping views of the Yellowstone River, winding through the landscape and the vast surrounding wilderness. This trail also offers a fantastic chance to spot diverse wildlife and truly enjoy the peace and quiet of the backcountry. It's a perfect escape. If you're looking for something a bit more relaxed but equally beautiful, the Taggart Lake Trail is a fantastic choice. This is a relatively easy and incredibly popular trail, perfect for families or anyone seeking a peaceful walk. It's a gentle introduction to Yellowstone's beauty. The trail leads to a stunning, pristine lake, reflecting the surrounding mountains like a mirror. It's perfect for a relaxing hike, a picnic by the water, and offers excellent opportunities for wildlife viewing. Keep an eye out for moose and deer near the water's edge. Next up, get ready for a unique geyser experience on the Lone Star Geyser Trail. This is a relatively flat and easy hike, making it accessible for almost everyone. It's a wonderful way to witness one of Yellowstone's iconic features without a strenuous climb. The trail leads directly to the Lone Star Geyser, which erupts regularly, often every 3 hours or so. This offers a truly unique opportunity to witness a geyser eruption in a more intimate, less crowded setting than Old Faithful. It's a magical moment you won't forget. For continuous, breathtaking canyon views, explore the South Rim Trail. This is a moderate trail that follows along the south rim of the magnificent Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone. It offers multiple viewpoints and stunning perspectives. This trail offers continuous, stunning views of the canyon's immense scale and its powerful waterfalls, including the iconic lower falls. You can walk as much or as little of it as you like, stopping at various overlooks to soak in the grandeur. It's truly spectacular. Finally, for a vibrant and accessible thermal experience, we have the Black Sand Basin Trail. This is a short and easy boardwalk trail, perfect for a quick stroll and an up-close look at some incredible features. It's a fantastic option for all visitors. The trail loops through the Black Sand Basin, showcasing a dazzling variety of colorful hot springs, bubbling mud pots, and active geysers. You'll see the vibrant blues, greens, and oranges that make Yellowstone so famous. It's a kaleidoscope of geothermal wonders. So there you have it, 10 incredible hiking trails that showcase the diverse and unparalleled beauty of Yellowstone National Park. From towering waterfalls that thunder into canyons to vibrant hot springs that paint the landscape with impossible colors, Yellowstone truly has it all. You can find panoramic mountain views that stretch for miles and incredible opportunities for wildlife viewing around every bend. Before you head out, always remember these important hiking reminders. First, always check current trail conditions and closures with park rangers. Things can change quickly in Yellowstone. Second, pack appropriate gear, including plenty of water, layers of clothing, and bear spray. And finally, always be aware of your surroundings, especially when it comes to potential wildlife encounters. Give animals plenty of space and never approach them. By following these tips, you'll ensure a safe, unforgettable, and truly incredible adventure in Yellowstone National Park. Happy trails, everyone!